If you could return, don't let it burn, don't let it fade. I'm sure I'm not being rude, but it's just your attitude, and it's tearing me apart, and it's ruining every day. Oh, I swore I would be true, and honey, so do you. So why were you holding her hand? Is it just the way we stand? Were you lying all the time? Was it just a game of you? But I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Oh, I thought
Ay, makabaril niya. Ay, makabaril ah.
I thought nothing
Pinatay yung dalawa ni Nex ni Banyan niya.
but I was wrong.
Ito na, nakalaban niya niya.
I was wrong.
Uy, Robin, ubos niya yung niya.
Again.
If you could get back, trying not to
Sige.
lie.
No, not me.
Sabay, patay pa ako.
And I wouldn't feel so used, but you always really knew.
Sabi ko
Wanna be with you.
Chill!
So
Chill
deep.
kasi nakakatawa nagagalit.
You know I'm such a
Patay tayo sa babae.
for you.
Patay kaya. Ayoko na pre.
You
Wala
got
nang
me
tuto.
wrapped around your finger.
Ikaw ko. Taas mo.
Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to?
Tayo natin.
Do you have to? Do you have